What's up, guys? Just doing a quick update tonight. This is about as far as I'm getting tonight with this transmission teardown. Last night I got this bouncer off with not proper tools. Used some wood clamps and a block of wood on this end shaft here. Put tension on and just tapped it off with a hammer. That worked out just fine. We got fifth gear pulled off, and that's all as of tonight. That's where I'm stopping for tonight. I already had bearing puller, so use that to pull that gear off. Everything else came off with just snap ring, and the synchro came out. Some roll pins hold that fork on there. Pull that guy out. Make sure you don't lose your springs on your dogs there. That comes out. There's a race and some inner bearings there, as well as a washer on the bottom. Shim plate to the bottom shaft, and then shims and plates to the main shaft. And finally got this up on the bench. There's tail housing, bell housing. Absolute mess. I need to invest in some dollar store cat litter or something before the wife kills me for walking inside with these boots. Fuck, she does follow me on here, so these boots are coming off before I enter the house, I promise. Anyway, so next will be, I believe, tearing the front side open, and then whatever I need to do to get the main shaft out, and then the counter shaft. PTO ports, everything's going to be cleaned out. I might throw the case, the housings, in the sandblaster and sandblast them clean. I think that's probably going to be my best bet for actually getting them clean, because I do want to paint the transmission as well. That way it looks nice and stays looking nice. Shift fork probably needs new mounting. This bearing for sure needs replaced as well. We'll go through the shift forks as well. I guess the throwout bearing. You know what the fuck I mean. I'm tired. But yeah, that's about it. I did get sidetracked a little bit. Started tearing the transfer case apart. Mainly just got that tail housing off, but we'll be going through that as well. Picked up some gloves, some rags, and snap ring plier kit to get all this done. So it'll be a little less messy and hectic or whatever. But yep, that's about it. We'll see ya.